world known to mention the taste of endless time. It's just like water, it runs right through our fingers. The flavor of it lingers like a rich red wine. In those days we were single and we lived them one by one. Now we hardly see them, they don't walk, they run. But I've got plenty left, I've set my sight on. Don't wait up, leave the light on, I'll be home soon. Oh, I've never seen my life in such a hurry. But if I stop to worry, oh, I get left behind. It's just a party, but you don't get invitations. And there's just one destination, you better be on time. For years we rhymed in couplets, and we sang them two by two. Now we hardly rhyme at all, but here's a few. And if they hurt, there's bullets left to bite on. Don't wait up, leave the light on, I'll be home soon. Oh, that drummer in my head needs inspiration. There's a lack of syncopation, and it holds me to line. It's just so hard to leave these cages that we're thinking. By stages we just sink into a slow decline. For years we lived in waltz time, we danced to 3 by 3. Now it's hard to dance, but if you stick with me, we've got what we need to spend the night on. Don't wait up, leave the light on, I'll be home soon. These races that we've run were not for glory, no moral to the story. We run for peace of mind, but the race we're running now is never ending. Space and time are bending, and there's no finish line. Oh, I will live to be 100. I was born in 44, 28 to go, but I ain't keeping score. I've been left for dead before, but I still fight on. Don't wait up, leave the light on, I'll be home soon. 'Cause I've been left for dead before, but I still fight on. Don't wait up, leave